Q4 is about to be absolutely insane, and especially for the altcoins in my opinion. For the total altcoin market cap, I would definitely not be surprised to be seeing something like this happening in Q4. Having a look into a historic price performance for Bitcoin in Q4, well, it has been very good, but especially in this part of the cycle, I believe that whenever Bitcoin is going to be pumping, well, altcoins are about to be absolutely exploding towards the upside. So we need to be having a look into what's that exactly, what altcoins to right now buy exactly, and how you should prepare yourself right now for this bullish Q4. Well, of course, first of all, in the first quarter of this year, we already saw a minor pump, especially for Bitcoin. We have seen this amazing pump, but mostly fueled by crypto enthusiasts excited about Bitcoin's new all-time high, ETFs, and the halving. But in Q4, we will see the true crypto bubble fueled by Fed printing, NPC recklessness, and mass media euphoria. Really, if we're going to be having a look into Q1, well, we have not really seen the retail returning towards crypto, and that is a huge reason why we have not really seen these altcoins exploding yet towards the upside. But in this part of the cycle, I believe that whenever Bitcoin is going to be pumping above that previous all-time high, well, then definitely all of the altcoins are about to explode, and well, it is broadly to be expected that Q4 is going to be very bullish. First of all, because of this historic price performance. As you can be already seeing in this chart over here, we have only seen 3 months in the red. But just to sum up all of the facts, what we are going to be seeing in our next month is, in a halving year, in an election year, and September closing bullish. Well, this has only happened one time before, and that was right here. Now, during this whole Q4, well, the quarter was of course very and extremely bullish. But anyways, all of the times, whenever we had an halving or an election year, we've also had a very bullish Q4, and also all of the time, whenever September has been closing in the green, we've always had a very bullish Q4, and right now we are getting all of it. Now, on top of that, October is also one of the most bullish Bitcoin months, because for the month of October, we have only closed in the red 2 times. So yeah, well, adding all of this together, it is going to be very, very likely that this quarter is once again going to be a very bullish quarter, and you can be seeing that Q4 has historically averaged a plus 88% gain for the Bitcoin price. And of course, remember, this is just going to be for the Bitcoin price, but of course remember that whenever Bitcoin is going to be pumping, I believe that the altcoins are about to explode, and we are about to see something like this. So of course, first of all, we need to be seeing some more confirmations. We need to be seeing this bull flag pattern actually getting broken out towards the upside over here. In that case, definitely we are going to be confirming our breakout over here. On top of that, we also need to see Bitcoin pushing towards the upside, preferably actually reaching new all-time highs. That is actually when the real retail is going to be returning towards the market. But anyways, yes, for the Bitcoin market, we are having a very bullish setup at this current moment. With the summer currently has been ended, CZ is going to be released soon, FTX repayments are going to be incoming, rate cuts right now incoming. We are always having a post-halving dump, but after that post-halving dump, we always see some consolidation, and after that consolidation, we always see the banana zone, and Bitcoin price is going parabolic. We are right now about to enter this zone over here. Q4 is about to hit October, so October is about to hit. We are in an election year, and also of course in an halving year, like we have been saying. So pretty much to sum it up, for the Bitcoin market, it is looking very bullish, and if the Bitcoin market is going to be looking bullish, the altcoins are going to be looking even better. So that is why we need to be having a look into what's the altcoins right now. What are going to be the best altcoins to be accumulating right now during this moment? Well, I've made this entire list over here on my Twitter page just a few weeks ago, actually exactly at the bottom for most of these altcoins. And here in my list are going to be my favorite altcoin picks that I'm right now accumulating and still am gonna be accumulating for this next rally towards the upside. Anyways, the first pick is going to, just skipping Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. These are going to be very common common. But having a look into the first pick, this one is going to be Kaspa. This is going to be the first coin to solve the trilemma. It is going to be a new shiny coin from this cycle. I always like new shiny coins. They always tend to be performing the best every single cycle. This coin is purely decentralized and a very launched coin. Currently sitting at P26 in terms of market cap. Chart is looking very strong. I mean, it didn't have any big crash towards the downside. So I think during the next Bitcoin rally towards the upside, this one is also about to explode. Of course, showing strength while all of the markets have actually been showing weakness, and you should always be buying in towards the strength. Always whenever altcoins are showing strength, that is usually a good signal to buy. Anyways, having a look in towards the next pick, this one is going to be Pepe, and this is my highest conviction meme coin since the beginning of this cycle. Ever since I have said that Pepe will overtake Dogecoin this cycle, it has already 20x'd. And once again, this is the new shiny meme coin of this cycle, so I'm going to be accumulating even more at these current levels. In my opinion, this chart right here is just looking like clear accumulation. We can also even be having a look into a trend line right here, currently being broken. So guys, this Pepe chart is looking very good. I'm definitely going to be buying more of this coin, and in this cycle, I definitely still see this coin overtaking Dogecoin. So that is going to be huge. Pepe is going to be the new Dogecoin of this cycle. Anyways, having a look towards the next altcoin, this one is going to be Fetch AI, and this one has actually already been performing very good in the last couple of weeks over here. It has been bouncing ever so slightly towards the upside, but I still believe that it is going to be very good to buy. Everyone wanted to buy this AI coin 6 months ago when it was at an all-time high, during the peak of the high. Of course, at these stages over here, everyone wanted to be buying these altcoins at the peak of the AI narrative hype, but right now all of these AI coins have a massive discount even right now, sitting at $1.7, and in my opinion this is actually going to be the best time during this 80% correction to be buying an altcoin like this Fetch AI. In my opinion, the hype will return and Fetch AI will surge in price again. In my opinion, this chart is looking absolutely beautiful. I've been sharing it so many times on my Twitter page why I am right now buying this coin. Just purely having a look into the chart already, it is looking like a great coin to buy. Anyways, having a look into the next altcoin, this one is going to be Tensor Tau, and yesterday I have already even made a video about this altcoin right here, but this one is just going to be very similar towards Fetch AI, because this one, well, everyone wanted to buy this coin a few months ago, but now that Tau is sitting at strong accumulation levels, nobody wants to buy this coin anymore actually. In my opinion, the hype will return and this new shiny coin will bounce back significantly, because yes guys, this is once again going to be a new shiny coin. Now, it has already been bouncing a lot towards the upside in the recent week. Now, during the time of writing this thread over here, it was still sitting at these lows over here, so congratulations if you did take this thread over here, if you did read it. Anyways, definitely, just like I said earlier, it is always good to be buying towards strength. It is showing strength right now. I do think that this momentum will be continuing during the quarter 4. This is still going to be one of my strong leading AI narrative picks, and I am definitely going to be buying more for the quarter 4. Anyways, having a look into what's the next one, this is once again going to be another AI narrative pick. The next altcoin is not going to be an AI altcoin anymore, but definitely I think that the AI narrative is going to be a huge narrative during this cycle. I think especially all of the AI altcoins, they are going to be exploding the most during this cycle, so that's why I'm already including so many AI altcoins in this list over here. But once again for Render, well, the same story just applies. Another AI coin everyone wanted a while ago, but right now should actually be the time to be accumulating this coin right now, right over here. Now, this coin has not really bounced that significantly yet. I do expect that this bounce is still yet to come, maybe in quarter 4, but once again, look at this rally over here. It's been already having a beautiful rally during the beginning stages of this cycle. Right now, just correcting by a lot, so right now should be the time where I'm going to be accumulating, and I think, personally, what I think, you should be doing the same thing. Of course, no financial advice, but these AI altcoins are definitely going to be strong buys in my opinion. They are going to be popping off like crazy in the next move towards the upside. Anyways, having a look into what's the first gaming coin. Beam. I like Beam by a lot. I believe that the gaming narrative will gain traction during the later stages of this cycle, but it's still extremely worthwhile to start accumulating at the current levels. For coins like Beam, we are currently at a strong accumulation levels with lower market cap, lots of potential. Beam is of course sitting at this lower market cap, sitting at P79, and like you can be seeing at this chart over here, yes, very strong levels of accumulation right over here. During the beginning stages of the cycle, this one just exploded towards the upside. Right now it has just been correcting towards the downside, and right now should actually be the time where I'm going to be accumulating just like these other coins. Anyways, this chart is looking very good in my opinion. Going to be a gaming coin. I still think that the gaming is going to be picking up momentum in this cycle, maybe a little bit later, but definitely whenever retail is going to be returning towards the market, they are going to be having a look in towards gaming narrative coins. Because, well, it is just going to be very easy to see the narrative of gaming. It's just very easy to understand. So a lot of people are going to be investing in gaming coins. Anyways, having a look in towards the next altcoin, this one is going to be EOS. And this is once again going to be another AI coin on the list. I believe AI coins will gain massive momentum again in the next rally towards the upside. I've even said this 2 weeks ago. This new promising AI infrastructure coin is showing strong ongoing accumulation at the current levels. I'm looking forward to the next leg up. If we're going to be having a look in towards this chart over here, we can be having a look in towards a clear downtrend at this current moment over here. And yes, this downtrend is inevitably going to be getting broken anytime soon. Maybe you can even start to have a look in towards a falling wedge at this current structure over here. So that is going to be extremely bullish. Definitely whenever this next rally is going to be getting initiated, these smaller cap gems such as EOS, which is going to be a very good AI infrastructure coin, sitting at the P109 with a Coinbase listing. Well, guys, I think it just is going to be having a very strong narrative. Very good coin in my opinion, and I think this one could be pulling a very good multiple. So I'm still holding quite a large bag of this coin in my portfolio. And for this altcoin over here, I'm really going to be hoping for more kind of a 20x in the market. That would be looking very cool. Anyways, having a look in towards the next altcoin, which is going to be an RWA coin. This is another example of a strong new RWA coin. In the early stages of this cycle, it has seen a significant rally towards the upside. However, recently it has been retracing significantly, and it is now sitting at an excellent level of accumulation. If we're going to be having a look in towards this chart over here, you can clearly see that this chart is looking very similar towards Beam. Now, anyways, definitely I think that the RWA sector is also about to pick up momentum anytime soon. It is a very easy to understand narrative, just like gaming. It is very easy to attract capital towards this niche, and Ondo is going to be one of the leading coins in this narrative RWA. Right now, with BlackRock actually backing this project, Coinbase listing over here, and very nice exchange listings. So yeah, definitely going to be one of my major picks for this quarter 4. Having a look into what's the next altcoin, well, layer 1s always tend to perform very good in every single cycle. Layer 1 competitors towards Ethereum have always performed very well during every cycle. Now, Ethereum is not really performing that well right now, but definitely, for example, Solana is performing very well. Well, these competitors tend to be performing very good as well. So Sui is going to be one that has caught my eye with a promising chart and strong recent price performance. This is poised to break higher. Now, I've written this thread on September the 10th, and right now this one has really been popping off towards the upside. Like you can be seeing, I've been writing this thread right over here while it was still sitting below $1. Right now it's already been going up by 70%, but still, just like with Tau, I think it is going to be very good to be buying in towards momentum, to be buying in towards strength. Now, my price target is going to be sitting a little bit higher than this previous high over here. So this one is not going to be pulling like a 10x in my opinion this cycle, but definitely this one is going to be providing more kind of a stable 2x or 5x. Anyways, having a look into what's the next one on the list, this one is going to be Phantom. This is not a shiny new coin, but an OG coin with a lot of development going on behind the scenes. It's one of my major holdings, and I believe it will eventually see a massive leg up. It might take some time, but I think it will happen eventually. And yes, I've actually written this thread once again on the 10th of September, and it has been picking up a lot of momentum ever since. Why? Because everyone is going to be hyped because of this Phantom towards a Sonic migration. Just like I was talking about, well, a lot of development is going on behind the scenes for the Phantom chain. It is right now going to be Sonic. Anyways, the price has already been performing very good right over here. But just like with Sui, just like with Tau, I think it is going to be very good to be buying towards strength. And eventually, I do think that this coin or the new coin Sonic is going to be pumping by a lot. And having a look into what's the next coin, well, this is going to be a layer 2 on the Bitcoin network. I think that still Bitcoin is going to be performing very well during this cycle. So the most successful layer 2 network on Bitcoin is going to be Stacks. Now currently it is still as slow as Bitcoin, so about 20 minutes per block. But they are going to be launching a Nakamoto upgrade soon, or I believe it has already happened. But this will change it so it will become significantly faster, which is going to be what's needed, of course, for a layer 2 on the Bitcoin network. But also for this altcoin, the chart is looking very, very good. Just having a look into the chart over here, this one has been seeing a significant rally over here, also with Bitcoin ordinals popping off. Right now, well, all of this hype has been cooling off, and right now should actually be the time where I'm going to be accumulating. Now, very nice rounding bottom currently being created right over here, so this is looking very nice in my opinion. I'm definitely still going to be accumulating more at this current level. And having a look into what's the final one on my list, this one is going to be Athena. I think Athena will be the new Luna of this cycle. Hopefully it won't experience a death spiral at the end of the cycle like Luna did, but Athena looks like it aims to be the successful version of what Luna could not achieve during the last cycle. Of course, the fundamentals are looking very much alike, and maybe even we could consider Athena to be a little bit of a Ponzi, of course, if we're going to be comparing it towards Luna in some kind of a shape, way, or form. But always, every single cycle, people tend to be going towards these Ponzi's. They want to have a look into these high yields, and Athena is providing very good and high yields. So I don't know, the crypto market really never really learns from its mistakes. So I think whenever euphoria is going to be returning towards the market again, people are once again going to be returning towards coins like Athena. Now this one is going to be a little bit more of a venture capital pumped coin, like you can be seeing over here. The market cap to total value locked ratio is not very good, but still having a look into this chart over here, I think eventually it's going to be bottoming out. We are seeing a very nice rounding bottom right now being created at this current moment. This one, in my opinion, is going to be a little bit more kind of a riskier play, but I see a lot of potential, and this one could definitely turn out to be doing very, very well in my opinion. Now here I have listed some other altcoins that I'm accumulating as well during these current times for Q4. So yeah, just pause the video and go ahead and have a look into what's these altcoins as well. But yeah, these first altcoins that I've been accumulating over here, these are the major ones I'm accumulating the most. But anyways, the reason why I'm not really having such a look into what's these smaller caps right now at this current moment is going to be because I think during these beginning stages of the market, still these larger caps are going to be pumping the most, and during the end stages of this market cycle, then really the smaller cap gems are going to be exploding towards the upside. So right now I'm heavily invested in these higher cap altcoins, but slowly I will start to scale in towards these smaller cap gems, which however not as much right now at this current moment. I'm still going to be waiting patiently. Anyways, this video is going to be depending a lot on what Bitcoin will be doing in the next few weeks. If we are indeed going to be seeing this a bullish month of October, and if we're indeed going to be seeing a bullish Q4, and also of course if this chart over here is going to be seeing a confirmed breakout towards the upside. It is going to be depending on a lot of factors, but I think that these altcoins are going to be great to be accumulating right now at this current moment. Anyways guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development, and guys, I'll see you in another video later.